Hi friends, my name is Tawfiq Alam and you are watching a Code with Me YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss about the machine learning concept. In the machine learning, I will discuss about the confusion matrix, and within the confusion matrix, I will discuss about what is called false positive, false negative, true negative, and true positive. So this is a very simple concept. I will discuss about what is true negative, true positive, false negative, false positive. These are the topic I will discuss because like in the when you are going to solve the matrix, so a lot of confusion happen about this topic. So with the very basic concept, 2 by 2 matrix I'll be choose for making you understand what is a what all this concept is called and how easily you can understand this concept. So I will take 2 by 2 matrix. Here we can say I have taken the 2 by 2 matrix. Here is actual value we have called 0 and something 1. This is number, we can take number 0 1. Okay, so this will be a kind of predicted value we have. So this will be predicted value, this will be kind of actual value we have. So actual value, predicted value. So I'll be make you understand about the true negative, true positive, false negative, false positive, as I discussed earlier. So I'll make you understand. Before the beginning of this concept, I'll be just take a very few minutes to make you understand this topic. So suppose we have the black box. This is a black box, and if you are giving the 0 and our output is coming the 1, so what does it mean? Something is wrong is happening. Like the system is there, your actual value and predicted value is not same, so we can call it like something is wrong happening, means false is happening. We can call it false. And suppose here is you're giving the 1, same 0 is coming, so same time and false is happening. Suppose we have the system, this one system, or what we can call the black box. If there is you're giving the 1 and the 1 is coming, what does it mean? Input or output is same in the sense like what you are giving, what is coming is something is kind of the actual and predicted value is same. So we can call this system is something is right means true, we can call true. Suppose giving the 0, and if the 0 is coming, we can also call it true. It means this system is true in the sense like its behavior is true. So just I wanted to make you understand in the very basic, in the very fundamental, in a very layman way, what is a false and what is a true, because this will be work here and you can correlate with this thing. So this concept is very clear. If you are giving the 0, 1 is coming, it means something wrong in the system, so that is called as a false. If you are giving the 1 and if the 0 is coming, so that is also called as a false. Same thing if you are giving some 2, if 3 is coming, and if you are here giving 2, if 2 is coming, so it means like something is true is happening. Here what is called, here is false is happening. So just you need to understand this concept, and this will be very useful in the further solving the matrix about the false positive, false negative, true positive, true negative. So I'll just start here. We have the actual value, we have the predicted value. Actual value is 0 1 and predicted value is 0 1. So what will becomes here? So we need to understand this concept. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, already I write it down there. So now start with the, we have the here what will happen. So we can call it this one, we can call negative, something 0 is there, negative simply. If is 1 is called like we can call is a positive, so negative positive. So what will happen if you are giving 0 and system out like predicted value is what is also coming 0, so something is right thing is happening. If you are giving 0, 0 is coming, so something right thing is happening. What does it mean? True. And this one is because predicted value is negative, so we can write it negative, comes to here. We are giving actual value what 0 and our predicted value is what 1, so something wrong is happening. You are giving 0 and output is what, output is something like not matching. I just make you understand this. I just I just share with you. If this is 0, this is 1, 0 1 means something wrong happening, means false is happening, false. And predicted value is 1, it means positive, so we can write positive. Here is what, here we have the 1 like actual value, and predicted value is what, 1, predicted value is what, 0. So same, we are giving the 1 and output is coming 0, like actual value is 1 but prediction what is coming, 0. So this is no similarity between both the number. So we can say in the like layman way or simple way, or in the very basic way, this is something is a false is happening, or because of the predicted value is negative, we can call it negative. Here is 1 and here is 1, actual value we have 1 and predicted value is what, is 1. So we are giving the 1 and system is giving the output, like system we are giving the actual value is 1 and system is giving an actual value, predicted value is what, is 1. So what is happening, what kind of the system is this? So what kind of we can say here in the very simple way, this is something true thing is happening. I just want to make you understand, you know, what is a true and false. So here is we can say this is true thing is happening, and because of the predicted value is positive, we can call it positive. So this is done, this is simply done, like true negative, false positive, false negative, true positive. So this is a very building block and very basic concept about how we can understand the whole concept, not about the 2 by 2 matrix. Like in the further video we will be solving about 3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix, and even 6 by 6, keep on going, even 10 by 10 matrix we will be understand the whole concept. So before going further, we need to understand the basic concept first. We need to understand, so basic concept is here. So once again I'll be repeat it again, and in the very simple way, what value we are giving if the value is not coming same, what value we are giving if the value is not coming same, that is false. Same, not coming, false, not coming, false. If what value we are giving and same value is coming, so what does it mean, like something true phenomenon is happening, like true is happening. If you are giving 0 and 0 is coming, if you are giving 2, 2 is coming, it means like true is happening, like, so we right thing is happening. So we can call in the simple way this is true. Same thing here, what will happen, we are given 0, predicted value is 0, like true, and this one is predicted value negative, we can write in negative. Here is actual value 0 and predicted value is 1, so something is false is happening, no similarity. And because of this predicted value is positive, we can write it positive. And same here, we have the actual value is here and our predicted value is what, 0, so this is false is happening, and this one is negative, this is we can write it negative. Here what happened, if the actual value is 1 and our predicted value is 1, so something true is happening, similar thing is happening, and because of the predicted value is positive, we can write it down the positive. So whole concept of about the true negative, true positive, false negative, false positive. So this is a basic concept. If you are clear about the basic concept, you don't need to memorize and don't need to like mug up, you don't need to do this thing, just understand the basic concept. If your basic concept is clear, so easily you can understand about the whole concept and whole thing. So in the next video you'll be see like 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 6 by 6, even 10 by 10 matrix. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you find this video useful, you can like, subscribe and share with your friend. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.